Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make a very easy, simple chicken breast recipe, very crispy and tastes amazing. If you're interested, keep on watching. Be sure you are subscribed and like the video for more video like this one and comment down below. Without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, to start, I have two freshly washed chicken breasts here. They're pretty thick, so what I am going to do, I am using my rolling pin to basically mash them down a little so they can be thinner, because as you guys can see, it's pretty thick. Now you can definitely slice them in the middle if you want, but I just mash them with my rolling pin. Now to marinate in or season my chicken breast, I am using the Island Vibe seasoning, which I love, and I know you guys love this seasoning as well. And if you use the Island Vibe seasoning, send me your pictures. I would like to see food pictures. It's pretty good. It tastes amazing. It has no type of MSG to it. That's why I love cooking with the Island Vibe. I basically use it on everything: rice, vegetable, everything. Now I am going to spread it on both sides. Just make sure you marinate whatever you add on one side, add it on the other side. Now I am going in with some smoked paprika. Next I am going in with garlic powder. Just spread it all over the chicken breast and as well as the other side. Now I am going in with some ground black pepper. Flip it over, do the same thing. And then next I am going to add a little bit of salt. You definitely have to add a little bit of salt in there. Yes, once I am done with adding all the seasoning, just pat it down. Make sure your seasoning is nice in the chicken, so you can get that nice flavor to it. You can let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, but I went and cook it right away. Now I am going to use all-purpose flour. Make sure you season your flour. I am basically using the same seasoning I use for the chicken, the Island Vibe seasoning, the garlic powder and ground black pepper, smoked paprika, and as well as some salt. Yes, make sure you mix that with your fingers. Once you have it all combined, we're going to move on to the next step, which is eggs. I am going to use 2 eggs, large eggs by the way. It doesn't have to be room temperature, it can be regular eggs. Just mix that together. Next I am going in with about 1/3 cup of whole milk. Just add that in there and mix it together. Now it's time to basically fry your chicken. Now this is the chicken. Look how nice it looks. All the seasoning is nice and laid on there. I am going to add it on the flour first. Just dredge the chicken in the flour. Make sure you get all the side. This is what's gonna give you that nice flaky, crispy texture. So you make sure you have the flour all over the chicken. Once you're done, make sure you shake it really good and add it in the egg wash. Make sure you get the egg wash all over the chicken as well and shake it off and put it back in the flour. I don't know why my hair was all over the camera, you guys. I'm trying different angles, whatever works, but this time I was basically cooking outside. So yeah, basically now I am going to fry it. I am frying it on 375 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until it's nice and crispy for you. And this is how it looks about 10 to 15 minutes later. It looks nice and golden and crispy. It just looks good. It looks like something you might get from KFC. It just looks so good, you guys. And make sure your oil is nice and clean. That way your chicken will come out nice and and clean with a nice color. Once it's done, this is how it looks, you guys. Nice and pretty. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Be sure you subscribe if you are new. I want you to subscribe, so please, I'm begging you. Hit the subscribe button and check that notification post, the bell. Make sure you guys click it. That's how you will know. You will know as soon as I upload a video. You guys will be the first one to know. So be sure you click that bell if you're already subscribed. Yeah, this is the chicken, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I really do. And if you're interested on the seasoning, it will be down below. Check it out. Yes, you guys, I am going to cut it for you. And if the inside of your chicken is pink, throw it away, start over. Yes, it's nice and white, and it was delicious. It was so good, you guys. As it sit, obviously it's gonna get a little soggy, but it was very crispy. Thanks for watching. Be sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.